Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Alodia Putri and you can call me Naila. My student number is A1B225044 and I'm from group 2. So today I'm gonna tell you about the result of our group discussions. I'm gonna read the first questions. Identify 4 English sounds in the case that students find difficult. So the first English sounds that we choose is theta, as in think, and the second one is F, as in this. The third one is V, as in very. The fourth one is Z, or Z, as in dogs. And let's move on to the second questions. Using U 2010, explain how each sound is produced, focusing on whether the sound is voice or voiceless, the place of articulation, and the manner of articulation. So, first let's talk about the voice or voiceless sound. The theta, as in thing, is voiceless sound. The th, as in this, is voice sound. The v, as in very, is voice sound, and the z, or as in dogs, it's voice voice sound. So the only thing that's voiceless is the theta, as in think. And then the second one is the place of articulation. The theta, or as in think, is in dentals. Same with the f, as in this, is in dentals too. And v, as in very, is in labiodentals. And the z, as in dogs, is in alveolars. And then the manner of articulation, they all the same one, they got fricatives. And then let's move on to the third question. Choose 2 sounds and explain why this sound may be difficult for Indonesian learners based on articulatory differences. So we choose the theta, as in think. This sound does not exist in Indonesian. Indonesian speakers often replace it with te or th, because te is also voiceless and easier to pronounce. However, te, te or t is an alveolar stop, while theta is a dental fricative. Students are not used to putting their tongue between their teeth and letting air flow continuously. And the second one is V. In Indonesian, V is not common and is often pronounced like F. The difference is voicing. F is voiceless while V is voiced. Students may not activate their vocal wards when producing V, so very becomes very. And then the last question is suggest 2 pronunciation exercises that focus on helping students control tongue position, lip positions, or air flow. So our answer is the first exercise is mirror practice, with it is for tongue and lip positions. So student practice in front of mirror for theta and eth. Put the tongue slightly between the teeth. Blow air gently, like practice minimal pairs. Think, think, this. For V, touch lower lip to upper teeth. Turn on voice, feel progression in your throat, like van, van, vine, vine, like that. This helps students control tongue and lip positions. And for the second exercise is voicing awareness. It's practice airflow and vibrations. Students touch their throat while saying I, F, V, S, Z, or Z. They notice F and S, no vibration, is voiceless. V and Z is there is a vibration, so it's voice sound. Practice it. The practice word is like rise, rice, rice. It's like nasi and rice, like sunrise. And then face, 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 dan face. And then buzz, 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 buzz. This exercise improves control of airflow and vocal cord vibration. I think that's all from our groups, so thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.